Hi guys, we've installed the LED headlight bulbs from Auxito, both low beams and high beams. Let's see how they look. On the right, we've got our low beams right here. Let's turn on high beams and high beams as well. Nice white color. Guys, take a look. The originals, yellow, and new bright LEDs. And this is how it looks on the wall. On the left we have the low beam headlight, on the right we have original bulb. Let's turn on high beams, and these are the high beams. Again guys, looks much better. They are significantly brighter. The low beams are 3 times brighter than the halogen bulbs, and the high beams are 6 times brighter than the OEM bulbs. And right now we'll show you how the installation was done. In order to access our bulbs, we had to remove the plastic cover, which was right here. For that we removed a number of plugs, 1, 2, 3, there are actually 7 of them. And there are 2 bolts that were holding it in place. After we have removed the plastic cover, now we have access to 2 bolts, 1 and 2, which hold our headlight assembly in place. Right now we will remove them and show you guys where the bulbs are. We are using 10mm socket and extension. And now you will be able to easily pull out the whole headlight. On the right we have the 9006 low beam headlight bulb from Auxito. This is how it looks, guys. It fits perfectly in the socket. And this is the 9005 high beam bulb. This is how it looks. And again, fits in our headlight perfectly. We had to do a small modification in order to fit our low beam bulb. For that we cut out a small section from the plastic right here, and I'll explain to you why. Even though the new LED is very close in size to the original bulb, there is a bit of a difference in the back. First of all, we have this fan right here, and we have this screw that holds the assembly in place. It stands out slightly more than the original bulb, and it was hitting the plastic in the back this way. That's why we cut out a small section, and now there is no issues at all. On the left side we have not replaced the bulb yet, and I'll try to show you what I mean, guys. As you can see, original bulb almost hits the plastic in the back. So if it was a little bit high, if it had a fan in the back, it would hit the plastic. And exactly for that reason, we cut out a small section in order to fit our new LED. And we'll have to repeat the process on this side in order to fit another low beam bulb. The modification only took us a few minutes. We used the saw and the knife to cut out a small section. The low beam headlight from Auxito, guys, are made of aviation grade aluminum. We have 3 LED chips on each side, 3 on this one and 3 on the other side. As I said, it has a fan in the back. It is 3 times brighter than the original bulb. The color is 6000 Kelvin, and the bulb lasts up to 50,000 hours. Here I have the 9005 high beam bulbs. Interestingly enough, the set comes with the gloves, which is pretty cool. So again, guys, I'll show you. This bulb is slightly different than the previous one. Again, it's similar in size to the original. The high beam is actually brighter than the low beam LED. This one is 6 times brighter than the original bulb, which is great when you use it as a high beam. It has 8 small LED chips on each side. Again, aviation grade aluminum. We have a small fan in the back. The color is 6500 Kelvin, and the same as the previous one, it will last for around 50,000 hours. If you guys need any of these, I will leave you the link in the description. After you guys have installed the bulbs on one side, you can use this adjustment mechanism to adjust the height of your low beam. For this you need the E8 socket, which goes right here. After you install the light, you can use this hole to access it. You just need an extension. You can use the side that you have not yet replaced as a guide to adjust the other side. Now we can reinstall the headlight assembly. Make sure it goes through on the right, and then it has to align. All the holes have to align, and on the bottom, try to show you guys, it needs to hit that plastic bracket right there. If you guys want to adjust the height of your headlights, insert the socket into that hole and take a look. It can be done really quickly, and you can easily change the aim or height of your headlights. And this is why we recommend to do them one by one, because right now you have the right side, right headlight as the guide in order to set the proper height for the left one. And then you'll do it other way around after you install the second light. And the distance between the car and the wall should be around 8 meters. Plastic panel goes back on. When you install it, first you need to make sure that the lock gets through. And then the second part, keep in mind that we have 2 bolts on top as well. Use light torque when you tighten these bolts. And the final step, all plugs go back on. First this part, and then the second flat piece goes inside. And also, as you can see, we managed to remove all the plugs without breaking them.